What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Phantom. And as you all know that the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale is coming, and also the Amazon Great Indian Festival. So in this video, we'll be talking about the best practices which you should follow in the sale period from 23rd September, so you get the best benefits from your smartphone. Now, before into that, they note one thing also that these smartphones sometimes do available early. So watch this video till the very end. So let's get started. So the very first practice which you should follow while buying the smartphone then is the first one is that when you go onto the Flipkart site, you should be click on your profile section, and after the profile section, then over here you can see your addresses and manage addresses. Make sure to add your new address where you want delivery of your smartphone of a new iPhone 12, 13 mini or 13, because we know that in the sale period the 13 will be available for 50,000 rupees, which is insane. And not only that, the 12 mini will be available under 40,000 rupees too. Well, so you should fill all your address details over here and click on save so that you don't miss out on your address while ordering your new phone. Well, apart from that, you one thing you should also do is that you should have saved your card details for which you have going to do the payment. Click on the add new card and add your all the details which you need to do while making the purchase for your new smartphone. Well, if you're not going planning to buy the smartphone for your card, then you can also click on the UPI payment also. But in the UPI payment, make sure one thing that you cannot do a single transaction more than 50,000 rupees in a day from a UPI. So make sure that you are planning to buy under 50,000 rupees for the new iPhone 12 mini or even the 13. But not only that, the next thing which you should also follow or practice is that when you know that the smartphone is going to be available and the sale at the 12 p.m. at the night, so make sure to log in at 11:55 and open this page on your home screen. And not only because we know that the last year also in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, the iPhone 12 was available for 50,000 rupees, and it was available 5 minutes earlier than the actual planned time of the sale. Not only that, you have to click refresh again and again so that your smartphones, when it comes in the pricing of this lightning deal, then don't click on the add to cart, directly click on buy now option so you don't miss. And from the addresses which you have mentioned over here, you can select your addresses. And not after that, also if you are a GST user, then click on the use GST invoice and add your GST number so you get an 18% discount or the GST back in your smartphone. Well, then click on confirmation and don't forget to click on accept and continue in the open box delivery. It is a very trusted thing from the Flipkart. The delivery guy comes and open your smartphone. Overall, they check it that you have properly delivered your smartphone so that you won't be getting any kind of an issue. So you click on accept and continue, and after that you can confirm your payment method with the card you have added earlier. Well, after that, put in entering your card details, then click on the continue, and you can process it very easily. Now, in case of iPhone 12, which will be available under 40,000 rupees on Amazon, there are also certain things which you need to follow. Now, in case of Amazon, you have to click on your account, and then after clicking on the your account, you can manage your addresses same as the Flipkart one and add a new address, whether it's your home or a office address too. Well, after saving the address on the Amazon also, then again click on your account or go back, then add your payment option for your smartphone or for the iPhone 12, which will be your payment option over here. You can add your card details, already save your card details so that you don't have to rush at the night at 12 a.m. and you get your smartphone securely delivered. Well, what do you think about this video? If you like it, then give this video a thumbs up. If you loved it, then subscribe to channel Tech Phantom. And also, if you're wanting to buy another things in the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival, then you can also find all of this video on our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.